Welcome back to the Busted Stud Garage, where we have Lucky restoring the windshield trim on a 1987 Corvette.
Yeah, that's pretty good, Randy. Sadly, this is an 85 pace car edition convertible. But we have a problem here with the delamination of the paint on the windshield trim. And we're trying to get this thing ready for a car show. So I got this special paint marker. I'm just going to touch up the areas where the paint's peeled off. And I think when we're done, this thing's going to be show ready. Bang. What do you think?
Show car edition. All right, that's a one Lucky Corvette.
Does it look pretty good?
It looks really good.
Well, here I'm going to give it some broad strokes, like a whole, you can see in the magazine, you're going to do like a lot of paint touch up. It's really going to come out good. Doesn't look like much now, and it may not look like much later either, but...
Do you have to do any special prep for this process?
Well, not really, because, I mean, a car of this quality is really hard to come by, so something this nice, you really just have to...
All right, there we have it. Another satisfied customer
blend it in.
at the Busted Stud Garage.
Bang.